Okay. Got a Schlage Everest. It's standard. Uh, Lock works good. Not a very extreme bidding, but there's the bidding. It does have the cutout on the key. So let's see here. Let me find that little pin. I think we got it there. And it's open. Yeah, as they say, an open is an open. Which these Everest aren't hard to open. As long as you mash down the pin in the back. And like I said, the bidding wasn't too extreme. Let's see. This one is actually a KIK cylinder, or a KIK in a mortise cylinder housing. So just take the tailpiece off and not take all of that other stuff off. No need to do all that, I don't guess. I'm gonna lock it up. It'll help hold that pin in. Which you can see, it's right there. So it is in there. It has not been removed. Okay, let's start with 6 here. And like I said, it is a standard lock. Whoa. The pins are still colored. Tweezers. There's the pin and the spring. And everything up top will probably be standard pins as well. Standard. Okay, well. Standard. Okay, that one had a wafer in it. Standard. get a hold of it here. And standard. And the pins. I know it's not been threaded or nothing like that. It's all standard Schlage Everst. Alright. Go ahead, I'm going to take that wafer out. Alright, here is a Schlage Everst 6-pin, all standard. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks.